Hello students, welcome to the classroom point. In this session, we shall discuss some problems based on the osmotic pressure. So the given question here is 200 cubic centimeters of an aqueous solution of a protein contains 1.26 grams of the protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 kelvins is found to be 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. So almost all information is given. It will be very easy to solve this question. First of all, let us try to write down the given data. The given data is osmotic pressure is given. The osmotic pressure symbol is we know pi. The pi value is 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar. And next one is volume. Volume is given as 200 cubic centimeters. If you want to take the volume in ml or cubic centimeters, you no need to change this one into the liters. Or else if you want to change it in the form of the liters, then it has to become 0.2 liters. It is up to us which formula we are selecting. The next given data is regarding the temperature. So temperature is 300 kelvins, and the other given data, nothing is given, only mass is given. That is, mass of the protein is equals to 1.26 grams. Gas constant R value is not given, that we shall write over here. R equals to 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. Because here pressure is given in the bar, hence we have to take the R value also in the bar. If it is given in the atmosphere, then it becomes 0.0821 instead of the bar. Now let's go for the formula. So osmotic pressure formula is, it is pi equals to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into R into T divided by volume of the solution. Here volume of the solution I am considering in the form of the liter. If you want to take only in the form of the milliliters or centimeter cube, then you have to take the 1000 in the numerator. Our duty is to calculate the molecular weight of the solute. So by rearranging this formula, we shall get the molecular weight of solute equals to weight of solute into R into T divided by pi into V. Let us try to substitute the given data in this formula. Then the formula becomes, so molecular weight equals to weight of the solute is 1.26 grams into R value 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole into temperature is 300 kelvins whole divided by pi value, osmotic pressure value is 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar, and volume I have taken in the liters, so it is 0.2 liters. So by solving everything, we will get the answer of this question as the molecular weight of the solute becomes 61022 grams per mole. This is the answer of this question. Now let us go for the another question. Let us see the second question. At 300 kelvins, 36 grams of glucose present in per liter of solution has an osmotic pressure 4.98 bar. So volume of the solution is given, it's 1 liter, and for each liter 36 grams of glucose is present at 300 kelvins of the temperature, and its osmotic pressure is 4.98 bar. If osmotic pressure of the solution is 1.52 bar at the same temperature, what would be its concentration? So this is a problem, given problem. In this problem, let's try to write down the given data initially so that we will find out the calculation later. The given data is temperature is given initially, that is 300 kelvins. The weight of the solute, that is glucose, given as 36 grams. Molecular weight of the glucose we can calculate from the molecular formula C6H12O6. It is 180 grams per mole, and volume of the solution also given, that is 1 liter. Now apart from this, osmotic pressure is given, that is osmotic pressure. We know that symbol pi is equals to 4.98 bar. Similarly, one more osmotic pressure is given, that is for second part. So this is a complete first part information, and the second part information almost the same, but they're asking us to calculate the concentration. So let us consider the first osmotic pressure as the pi 1. Second osmotic pressure is pi 2, that is equals to 1.52 bar. R value is not given, though we can take, but that is it is playing a major role here. Now, according to the given first information, we know that pi equals to formula CRT, and pi value is given. Initial pi value is 4.98 bar. It is equals to C means number of moles by volume. RT value, let us not to substitute because they are saying the same temperature, they get cancelled. So now 4.98 bar is equals to number of moles, means weight by molecular weight. Weight of the solute is given 36 grams. It is 36 grams divided by molecular mass 180 grams per mole, and volume is 1 liter, so no need to substitute, into RT. And from this equation, RT becomes now equals to 4.98 into 180 divided by 36. This is the RT value. Let us take it as a equation number 1. So from equation number 2, let's go for the another equation. This is the equation number 1. Let's try to derive the equation number 2 now. So the second information given is only pi value is given, temperature they said same. So let's go for the pi 2 value. Now pi 2 equals to CRT or C2RT. Pi value is given, that is 1.52 bar. 1.52 bar equals to the second concentration which we need to calculate, C2RT. So now RT is equals to 1.52 bar divided by C2. This is the equation number 2. Now comparing these two equations, because for both the equations left hand side term is same, so that we can equate the right hand side term. So we can write from equation 1 and 2. Now we get, means we have to equate them, that is 4.98 into 180 divided by 36 into, it is equal to 1.52 divided by C2. We have to calculate C2, second concentration. C2 is equals to, now just cross multiplication. It is 4.98, 1 minute. So it shall become now 1.52 into 36 divided by 4.98 into 180. So concentration of the final solution becomes 0.061 molarity. This is the answer of this question. Students, let us go for the another question. Before going that question, still now if you do not subscribe the channel, please do it and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification whatever the questions I posted in the classroom point. So now let's go for the next question. The next question of the osmotic pressure concept is about the isotonic concept. The question is, the osmotic pressure of blood is 8.21 atmospheres at 310 kelvins. How much glucose should be used per liter for an intravenous injection that is isotonic with the blood? So the given data initially is, volume of the solution is given 1 liter and temperature is given 310 kelvins, and osmotic pressure of the blood is given 8.21 atmospheres, and they said it is isotonic with the blood, whatever the next solution is, a glucose solution is there. So since they are isotonic with each other, so the osmotic pressure of the glucose solution is also equals to 8.21 atmospheres. So we can take directly. Why? Because isotonic solutions are the solutions that are having the same osmotic pressure. So the given next pi values are, so pi value of the glucose is equals to 8.21 atmospheric pressure, because since it is it is isotonic with blood. So whatever the blood osmotic pressure is there, the same osmotic pressure I have taken here. So according to the osmotic pressure formula, we know that pi v equals to nRT, and n means weight by molecular weight. So pi v equals to weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute into R into T. Which one we have to calculate? Here how much glucose is, mass of the glucose is to be calculated. So weight of the glucose now is equals to pi, means osmotic pressure of the glucose, into volume of the glucose into molecular weight of the glucose divided by R into T. So weight of the glucose now becomes equals to, what is the pi value of the glucose indirectly given here? It is 8.21 atmospheric pressure. Volume is, when you have 1 liter. Molecular weight of the glucose we know that is 180 grams per mole. 180, how did we get? Means it is from the formula C6H12O6. So by summing the atomic masses, we shall get the molecular mass of the glucose. And R value, it is in atmospheric pressure, so that we shall take the R value as 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And finally, temperature is 310 kelvins. So after solving all this given data here, we shall get the value, means mass of the glucose is equals to 58.06 grams. This is the answer of this question. Now let us go for the another question of the same concept, that is osmotic pressure. The next question is, a solution was prepared by dissolving 6 grams of an organic compound in 100 grams of water. Calculate the osmotic pressure of this solution at 298 kelvins. When the boiling point of this solution is 100.02 degrees centigrade. So it is degrees centigrade. Degrees centigrade, and it is Kelvin per molality, late atmosphere. Everything is correct now. So here, to calculate the osmotic pressure, we must know what is the molecular mass of the solute, because according to the given data, mass of the organic compound is given 6 grams. Volume of the water, indirectly for water, mass is equals to volume, because for water density equals to 1 gram per mole, 1 gram per ml. So that is the reason why 100 grams of water means 100 ml it is equals. So since molecular mass of the compound is not available, we cannot calculate osmotic pressure directly. So we have to calculate the molecular mass using the elevation and boiling point of the solution concept. Using this given data, initial, let us try to calculate the molecular mass of the organic compound, then substitute that form in the osmotic pressure form, we shall get the osmotic pressure. So initially I'll write the given data. So the given data is, weight of solute is 6 grams, weight of solvent is 100 grams, that is water. Kb value is given for water, that is 0.52 kelvins per molality. Now let's try to use the elevation and boiling point formula. Using the formula, delta Tb equals to delta Tb equals to Kb into weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by mass of the solvent. Here delta Tb directly not given, but elevation is given when boiling point of the solution is given. So initially let us calculate the delta Tb value, then we shall substitute all these, we shall get the molecular weight of the solute as delta Tb, means elevation boiling point. It is always calculated by deducting the pure solvent boiling point from the solution boiling point, because solution boiling point is always higher than the solvent boiling point. So the difference in boiling point is 0.2 degrees centigrade. That is the elevation in boiling point. Solution boiling point given here, it is 100.2 degrees centigrade, and the solvent is water. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So I have taken this 100 degrees centigrade, and finally we got the 0.2 degrees centigrade as the elevation increase in the boiling point, that is delta TB value. So now let us substitute all these 0.2 kb weight of solute, 1000 weight of the solvent in this form, shall get the molecular weight of the solute as, so molecular weight of solute equals to kb into weight of solute into 1000 divided by delta TB into weight of the solvent, by rearranging this form, because we need to get the molecular weight of the solute. So final molecular weight of solute is kb value 0.52, weight of solute is 6 grams, 1000 is the constant value, divided by delta TB 0.2 degrees centigrade, and 100 grams is the mass of the solvent. By substituting these values and by solving, we shall get the molecular mass of the solute of the organic compound as 156 grams per mole. Now our duty is to calculate the osmotic pressure using this molecular mass. Now let's try to calculate the osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure formula we know, that is pi equals to number of moles divided by volume into RT. Now pi equals to number of moles means weight by molecular mass. Weight of the solute divided by molecular mass. Weight of the solute is 6 grams and molecular mass of the solute is 156 grams, and into it is R value, since it is in atmospheres, we have to take it in the, because R value is given already 0.0821 liter atmospheres, temperature is 298 kelvins, and volume of the water is 100 grams, that is equals to 0.1 ml, sorry, 0.1 liter. It is equals to 100 grams or equals to 0.1 gram. 0.1 gram equals to, so 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg is equals to 0.1 liter, because for water 1 ml is equals to 1 gram, because the density is 1 gram per ml, only for particularly for the water. Then by solving all this, the osmotic pressure of this particular solution we can get as 9.398 atmospheres. This is the osmotic pressure of the solution. So initially here molecular mass is not there, that we calculated using the elevation boiling point concept. Afterwards we substituted all this given data in the osmotic pressure formula, and finally we got the osmotic pressure as the 9.398 atmospheres. So final one more time request for the students, please do subscribe the channel. You shall get the coming updates. Thank you one and all.